Can we try to rip a strip of this paper?
No.
So come
Watch
to the side.
first. Watch first.
Yeah, watch first. Here I am. Ready? You're going to go from the top and you're going to rip down. Nice.
No.
Oh, that's okay. Listen, that was the next step. Okay, hold on, pause. Everybody freeze for just a second. Can we look? Remind me your name, friend. What's your name? What is it? William. Okay. William did a cool thing. Can I show them, William, the cool thing you did? William was actually holding his paper in a different direction. We're going to do this next, William. It's no problem. Sometimes paper tears in a straight line. That's what happened when we were holding our paper horizontal. If you turn your paper vertically, you get a triangle shape. It's totally fine, William. William, do you want to try holding it horizontal and tearing a strip from there? Yeah, okay. Everybody, put down the big piece and hold just the strip. Nice, William. Excellent adjustment. Way to go. All right, can we make this strip even skinnier? Ready? Rip from the top and down. Can we make it even skinnier? Ready?
Whoa.
I'm wondering, can you do it even skinnier? Did anybody get a curl? Yeah, if you got a curl, will you hold your curl up so the class can see your curl? Hold your paper at the top. Let's try to make a strip this way. Ready? Oh, it's that William fold. William rip, right? Did you get a triangle or maybe a shape? Nice. Nice. Okay, try it again. Try it again. Ready? Everything out of your hands and use your eyes. Can you find 3 different size pieces? A tiny piece, a medium piece, and a big piece. And if you also want to share with your friends to have different colors, you can ask politely and maybe your friends will share with you. But we need to have a tiny piece, a medium piece, and a big piece. Do you have a question?
It's the realest tiny pizza I ever seen.
Sure, here.
This is the tiniest piece. This is the tiniest piece.
Okay, find 3 pieces, guys. A small, tiny, medium, and big. Let's go. Find your 3 pieces.
When you have the big piece, can you put the big piece on the bottom? Yep. Maybe this is a better big size. Big piece on the bottom, right? And then can you take a medium-sized piece? Can I use one of your pieces? Is that okay? Can I use this one? Okay. And can you put the medium-sized piece on top of the big one? The medium size should fit inside of the big size. I'm going to use my glue. Okay, now take the tiny piece and put it on top of the medium piece.
I don't have the tiny.
Maybe you could borrow a tiny piece from your friend, or maybe you could tear another tiny piece for yourself. We call this overlapping.
I know.
Oh, you know that already. How would you make it even smaller?
This, and then you do this.
Oh,
Oh yeah, that's.
oh yeah, it's getting small.
That may get too more small because.
Do you have any ideas of how you could use the paper to make puppet characters? Yeah, do we have any ideas? Yes. We could put them together. Yeah, we could put different shapes together to make the puppets. I agree. Yeah. Yes. We could cut it. We could also just rip the sizes we need, right? But if you prefer cutting next week, no problem. I get that. Some of us are like, I need clean lines. Yeah. Eleanor, can I hold this up? Eleanor has this triangle shape, and she thought, oh, this would be a good shape for a dress for a puppet. I agree, Eleanor. Who else has an idea of how they could use it?